And we have been praying 4 days now to get to the airport.
Right now, the situation in Chennai is fast improving. The transport on the main roads, the public transport is operating. We are operating nearly 800 buses in the city. The metro rail system, the Chennai metro rail system is functioning normal. Even yesterday it was functioning normal. Essential commodities like fuel outlets and markets are open. But still many areas are underwater. So we are now reaching out to those people to provide relief. The discharge in the water flow in the rivers, of course, it is receding, but still the water from the catchment areas, it is getting collected and coming. So the entire draining of the water may take a little more time, but things are looking up. And hopefully very soon the situation will return back to normal.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.